Today we're talking about resizing your index cards in Scrivener 3 for Windows for an easier to read display. Index cards can be pretty much any size you want within reason, and you can change their dimensions by using the corkboard options button in the bottom right of the corkboard, which looks like 4 index cards. So first up, ignore keyword chips for the moment. That's nothing to do with sizing. Now, you have a number of different options here, and some of them conflict with each other. So you need to decide on your priorities. Size will just make the cards bigger. Ratio will give you different fixed dimensions. Spacing will make the space between cards bigger. Are you shouting at the screen that you can't see that? Well, that's because you can't. This option only works when you specify a number of cards across. If you do choose cards across, you'll notice that Size to Fit editor becomes active to give you yet another option, which conflicts with the basic sizing option and so gets rid of what you've selected there. Time to play around, find your preference and get your corkboard working for you. Next time we'll be talking about adding a new card to the corkboard.